In our last video, we showed you how to import KRAINERT into the NinjaTrader trading platform. And in this one, we're going to show you how to open up a chart and attach KRAINERT to that chart. So if you would, please open up your NinjaTrader platform by double-clicking on your desktop icon. As you can see, mine is opening up again in simulated trading mode. And in a few seconds, you'll see the Control Center window open up. And then we'll just about be ready to start. And there that window goes, and now we are ready to start. So the first thing you need to do is in the upper left hand corner, left click on the word file. It will open up a window, and then you need to scroll down to the word connect because we want you to connect to your data feed provider. I'm going to select my demo data feed provider, which is NinjaTrader. If you want to use a live data feed, you highlight that one and then left click. And then it may not seem like it's doing anything, but at the bottom left hand corner in a couple seconds you'll see a window open up and it will say connecting to Zenfire. After it says connecting, you'll see it light up green and then say connected to Zenfire. And that means that you now have a live data feed coming in. The next thing is to go back up, upper left hand corner and left click on the word file, and now we want you to create a chart. So scroll down to the word new, then move the cursor over to the right and then scroll down to the word chart and left click the word chart. And now you can see that we have a window open up that gives you the settings that you can choose for your chart. So the instrument we're going to choose, the type is a future, so make sure that the word future shows up. If not, you can left click on this arrow and it will open up another window, and you just scroll down and left click the word future. And then in the name we want you to use the YM, which is the Dow Jones E-mini, and then the December or the 1209 contract because that's a contract that is currently trading. The interval settings you want to have are the 1 minute bars and actually 1 minute candlesticks. That shows up on my chart, and in the chart templates there are none. And in the range settings, I like to use the days back, and then I scroll up to 60 days. And once I've done that, I move my cursor down to the OK button and I left click the word OK. Now you can see that you've opened up your Dow E-mini trading chart. And the first step in this process is I want you to put an indicator, which is a 200-day simple moving indicator on the chart. So left click on the icon, third from the right, which is indicators, and that opens up an indicators list. In this little box right here, I want you to left click and scroll down, hold the button down so you can scroll down and get it to where you see the SMA letters, which is simple moving average. Double click on those, and now it shows that you are going to format your simple moving average. Over on the other side of the window, you see the parameters, and in the period window, next to the number 14, I want you to double click in that area, and that highlights the number 14, and I want you to input 200 for 200 period moving average or a 200-day simple moving average. And then move down to right below where it says plots, left click on the plus sign in that box, and then it opens up what type of line you are using and what type of color. I like to use black, so I'm going to change my color to black so I can see it easier. Just left click next to the word orange or anywhere in that window or in that box, and then it opens up another little box with an arrow. Left click on that box, and then go down to the scroll bar and left click and hold that, move it to the top, and then you'll see black show up. Release and then left click the word black, and now you can see I have a solid line that will be in black when I attach it to the chart. Now move down and left click the apply button, and now you can see that the 200-day simple moving average showed up on your chart, and then just left click the word OK, and now you are set to attach KRAINERT. And as you can see with the 200-day moving average, it comes up, it broke through and above the 200-day moving average, and then the 200-day average started acting as support. So it tried to break down through, just moved a few points below it. It found support at the 200-day moving average, moved down, found support again, moved up a little bit higher, found support again, and then moved higher. So you can see that the 200-day moving average is an extremely important indicator if you are trading. The next thing is to go back up to the icons bar, and the second one from the right is the strategies. It looks like a round circle, yellow round circle, orange is yellow, with a dollar sign in it. Left click that, and that opens up your strategies window, and there you see your KRAINERT strategy. So double click on that strategy, and you'll see that it is getting ready to attach it to your chart. Now we're not going to do anything with these numbers. These are the parameters that you're going to set, and in the next video we'll show you how to set those, and these are all the ones you need to set prior to actually using KRAINERT to trade. Now to apply KRAINERT to the chart, move your cursor down to the word apply, left click that, and you will need to left click the word OK. And now you see that KRAINERT has showed up on your chart, and then the last thing you need to do is just left click the word OK, and then another screen opens up and says that these orders that are submitted by KRAINERT will be submitted without confirmation. You left click OK, and now your chart can begin trading for you. But again, this is not set up for the futures chart. I just wanted to show you how to attach KRAINERT to a live trading chart. That's it for now. In the next videos, I will show you how to set the default settings for the different markets and symbols that we trade with KRAINERT.